creating the plain knit stitch. With your cast on stitches in your left hand, take your working needle in your right hand. Insert your working needle from the front to the back of your first stitch. Wrap your wool under and over your working needle, which is lying underneath your left hand needle. Pull your stitch through and lift off your stitch. Now insert your needle from front to back into your second stitch, making sure to wrap your wool underneath and over the working needle, which is sitting behind or underneath. Pull your stitch through and lift off your stitch. Continue working your stitches this way, wrapping, pulling through, lifting off. The last stitch is no different to any other stitch. You simply knit it as you've knit all the other stitches and then lift off. All your stitches are now on your working needle. To begin your next row, you move all the stitches, needle, to your left hand, and your other needle now becomes your working needle, and you begin your next row.